Alright, here we go, Cadillac fans. Wednesday morning, Cars and Coffee, Englewood, Florida. And I can never get enough of cars like this. This car is extraordinarily beautiful.
It has the body lines of the first generation.
58 Coupe DeVille. It is for sale. And 55 does not seem unreasonable to me right off the bat, especially for a car of this caliber.
I think they were already going to have you done anything to help them?
Wow.
That stupid book about it?
And I must tell you, the smell of this leather is absolutely beautiful. All right. Pardon me. Earl Stoyer, wherever that's from. Not sure where that original selling dealer was, but you know, there's no pop on this thing. The chrome is beautiful, all the lenses, the bright work. I don't keep up on the prices of these big Cadillacs, but I'll tell you what, this car is like very, very nicely done. And I think it's frankly a good deal for somebody. 58 Coupe DeVille in beautiful colors. And very nicely done. And seeing it in video is one thing, but I'm telling you, in person, this car is really nice. So there you have it. Gauze Garage. Thank you.